Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLume 3-Pack Screen Protector Plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host. In a shocking revelation that's got the electric vehicle community buzzing, a new report from British tire dealer QuickFit has revealed that Tesla's Model 3 needs more tire changes than any other car in the UK. According to QuickFit's data, which monitored over a year's worth of tire changes across the country, the Model 3 took the top spot in 54 areas, with nearly double the number of tire changes compared to the second-place Citroën Berlingo. And that's not all. The Model Y also made it to the top 3 list, ranking first in 16 areas. What's interesting is that this trend isn't limited to just one region or type of terrain. The Model 3 required more tire changes across the entire UK, from rural areas to city streets, and even in densely populated boroughs like London. In fact, Tesla took the top spot in 14 out of 32 London boroughs. So, what's behind this unexpected trend? Well, experts point out that electric vehicles tend to be heavier on average than their gas-powered counterparts, which could lead to greater tire wear. However, without more data on the actual frequency of tire changes, it's difficult to draw any concrete conclusions. As we all know, Tesla has been facing some tough times lately, with declining sales and revenue numbers making headlines. And now, this report adds another layer of complexity to the brand's already precarious situation. The question is, will this impact potential buyers' perception of Tesla as a reliable choice for electric vehicles? At ElectroDrive News, we believe that doing your research before buying an EV is crucial. Not only can you avoid being blindsided by costly replacements like this, but you can also ensure that you're getting the car you want now and one that you can afford to maintain later. So, what's the takeaway from this story? Well, it's clear that tire care and maintenance are just as important for electric vehicles as they are for gas-powered cars. Keeping your tires at the correct pressure, regularly checking wheel alignment, and being mindful of driving habits like hard braking and rapid acceleration can all help prolong the life of your tires. And that's why we're here to bring you the latest news and insights on the world of electric vehicles. From charging infrastructure to innovative technologies, we've got you covered. Thanks for joining us on ElectroDrive News.